Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azrin Syafiq bin Sofyan. Metric number is D2018208637. So, today I want to show you how to make a fan mini USB DIY. So, I have a fan mini. I have a blade tape, USB cable, and also cutter. So, if you can see this is a fan mini that using a battery power. But if I can focus it, this is a holder battery that have been damaged and has been rusting. So I cannot using the battery because it's been broken. So I decide to change it using a USB. So let's check it out. First thing, you must have a fan mini. Open here and cut the wire using a cutter. So if you can see, the battery holder is broken and you have the wire. Make sure you must clear the wire for easily to connect to the USB wire. The USB wire. Actually, I have already cut the USB wire, and then make a hole at the behind of the mini fan motor. Put the wire into the hole. So you can see we have a green wire and green wire and also red wire, and black wire and red wire. So you must connect a red wire with the red wire. After that, you connect the green wire with the black wire. You must using a blade tape, because if you don't put the blade tape, it may cause a leak of current. You have done it, then close it with the cover. Yes, we have done to connect it. So let we test it using a power bank. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's been working. Thank you for watching.
Hello and hi everyone, my name is Nurujana binti Yusuf. Today I will show you a DIY on how to do a stuff organizer for your room. Let's check it out. The things you need for a DIY stuff organizer is a hot glue gun, a frame that you don't use anymore, a wrapper, some of your skincare bottle or any kind of bottle that you have, a glitter and a glue for some decoration, and a spray to cover up your bottle. The first step is mark the line on the bottle using a pen marker. Then, use the cutter to cut the bottle. Remember, use the cutter carefully. Ta-da! Next, after you done cut all the butter, use the spray to cover up the butter. Let it dry under the sun. So, while waiting for the butter to dry, let's move on to the next step, which is cut the wrapper according to the size of frame. Use the pencil and ruler to make a line. Use a scissor to cut a wrapper and follow the line that you have made. Then, put a wrapper inside the frame. After you make sure the butter is dry, use the hot glue gun to stick the butter on the frame. Repeat the same step. So, this is the result of the DIY stuff organizer for your room. Don't forget to try it.
Hello everyone, my name is Atif bin Azamuddin. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to make a pet food container using recycled materials such as bottle and box. Tools that I will be using to make these pet food containers are cutter and pen. So the first step is I will cut this bottle into two parts. Let's cut it. As you can see, I already cut my bottle into two parts. The thing is, I just need the top part of the bottle to store up my pet food. Next, I need to cut this box to make a base for my pet food container. And let's cut it. So as you can see, I already finished cutting my box to make it shape like this. You can see it, right? Yeah. Next, I need to make a hole at this part of the box to put my bottle in it. And it's done. Look at that. You can see the hole, right? So the next step is just put the bottle into the hole. Yeah, it will become like that. So as you can see, we just finished our pet food container. It's nice, right? And it's easy. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Shabil Amir bin Syarvi from class EP3 Education Degree in Design and Technology from Faculty of Technical and Vocational. Today, I will show you how to make a DIY craft using a popsicle stick. It was an easy one to make and I hope you can follow my step. First, you need to prepare the stuff to make the popsicles mobile holder. You need to have a popsicle stick, normal size and jumbo size. Hot glue gun, or you can use glue, paper, roller and scissors. The step to make a DIY craft are really easy. Follow me. For the first step, you need to put a glue into the popsicle stick and then put it on the paper that have been cut. After finish the first step, join the paper together to make a cylinder shape. Then, join the popsicle stick to make a U shape. And then, you can follow the next step, just like in the video. This is all my tutorial video for DIY craft, and thanks for watching.